Let me share a technique with everyone. In the next video, I'll teach you a practical welding trick. If it helps you, please give a free like to support. Today, I want to share a proactive electric welding technique. When we work on site, especially in tough environments, visibility is often poor and conditions are not ideal. Many beginners will encounter large burn-through holes, and the question is, how should we deal with them properly? First, remember this. On job sites, where the requirements are not extremely strict, we usually use J422 welding electrodes. These electrodes are different from low-hydrogen electrodes. The molten pool is more fluid and less sticky. Because of this, when repairing holes, we need a special rod manipulation technique to avoid making the hole bigger instead of smaller. The key point is the rod movement. Use a precise, controlled pushing movement. Move the electrode around the edge of the hole in a circular motion, gradually working inward, circle by circle, until the hole becomes smaller and smaller. When only a tiny opening remains, simply strike the electrode in the center with 2 short touches, and the hole will be closed. Another important reminder, do not use excessive current when filling holes. Today, we are using a 3.2mm electrode, and the suitable current is around 110 amps. During welding, avoid staying in one spot for too long. If you pause too long, the molten pool temperature will rise quickly, which may cause sagging or collapse. Also, don't pull the weld inward too fast. If the pool temperature becomes too high, the hole will actually grow larger instead of closing. When welding, keep the arc low and stable. Do not lift the arc too high. If the arc is too long, the molten pool temperature will rise rapidly, which can cause metal to flow downward and create defects. As you can see, by using this gradual, heat-controlled hole-filling method, the hole becomes smaller step by step. This is the correct and practical way to repair holes during ordinary welding work. During the process, do not pull the weld inward too fast. If you move inward too quickly, the central temperature will increase. Once the molten pool temperature rises, the hole will not close properly and may actually become larger. So while welding, use this heat-controlled, gradual hole-filling method, continuously moving inward step by step. Now the hole has become quite small. Also pay attention to the arc length. Do not lift the arc too high. Keep the electrode slightly pressed down. If the arc is too long, the molten pool temperature will rise rapidly, which can cause the metal to flow upward from the bottom and create defects. Let me show you the inside of the hole so you can see the repair result. See, this is the typical appearance of a properly welded and filled hole.